it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you our new Couture ink that we have. Now I just purchased 2 tea towels off of Amazon, and what I'm doing is I'm going to iron out that area to make it smooth. I have a piece of cardboard between the front and the back just in case the ink would bleed, but we do have an ink mat at Chalk Couture that you can purchase to help with that as well. I just don't have mine yet, so I'm kind of improvising. So I'm going to be using our farmhouse transfer from Chalk Couture. So I apply my transfer and I'm putting painter's tape around the outside edge, and then I'm going to apply my new Couture ink. And this goes on so smooth, you guys. I absolutely love it. Now you just want to make sure you do not have any ink on your hands while you're removing your transfer, because you don't want to get the ink on any other part of the fabric because it can become a permanent design. So same steps, I'm just going to iron. I put my piece of cardboard between, applying my transfer, adding my painter's tape just so I don't go outside of the edge, and then applying my new Couture ink and then removing it. Now the transfers are going to clean up just the same, water and Clorox wipes. I will tell you the Couture ink does stain a little bit more as far as the transfers go, but that's okay. They're still in great shape and good condition. So now that my design has dried for a few minutes, I just get parchment paper or wax paper and I apply it to each side. I'm going to iron this on both sides for 4 seconds, and then my design becomes permanent. Now you can use our inks on many different surfaces. Again, walls, you can use it on cups, on plates. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. T-shirts, onesies, but this would make a really fun workshop and a very affordable workshop. So if you're local, get in touch with me, chalkinwithjen.com, or you can check out my website to purchase your own and look at all these beautiful inks we have to offer from Chalk Couture. Have a good day.